What was mentioned in the yesterday analysis is still forming on the market, and that means the price has formed a bullish breakout. It is a small one, bullish breakout at 4643.93, where the price was trying to reach higher price levels, going all the way to 4754.91, which I have mentioned the price will try to reach as an example based on the previous examples in the past when the price has formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. The price is formed a small bullish candle where the day has closed very close to its level, which means not pretty strong a bullish breakout. So it needs to be very careful how the price will behave around this area of resistance, and we can see the price has tried to reach higher price levels and then return back down. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see much more clearly how the price has behaved yesterday, where the price has started the day here and rising all the way to the resistance level to 4643, and then we can see there was a stalling where the price could not manage to go easily above this area of resistance. These two small candles with a small candle body represents a bullish momentum still active, but not so strong to push the price easily go up. Then we can see a strong attempt from the price, then returning back down with a strong bearish candle. We can see that here it is a bearish engulfing candle where the price could not manage to go further down, which is a bearish breakout, which was invalidated with the next candle where the price is returned back above this area of resistance and then continue to rise in value. We can see the price has simply touched this one area of resistance on the 4-hour time frame, which is 4696.93, and then returning back down, forming here a bearish pin bar. This pin bar is not valid, at least for me, because the price is not formed right at the resistance level. It has formed very close to the support level, so I do not give too much attention to this one, and it is not strong, at least for me, based on what I can see. I can see that the prices currently have a confluence, the fight between the buyers and the sellers around this area of currently acting as a resistance. The price is below this area, below this price, so this is acting as a resistance. The price needs to return back up to continue to rise in value. Based on the candles, what I can see currently, the price is forming a bullish and bearish breakouts around this area of currently acting as a resistance, which means a very important level for the price. And we can see this area here where these confluence of support and resistance was, where you can see the open and close of price of these two candles, and the third candle is representing currently a support level, a small one. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we could see probably here a small support level, and this price level is 4618, and if I put here a support and the resistance levels, I will see here a line forming which represents a small support for the price. That's why the price is bouncing from this area. Now we can see the 4-hour time frame is still active, this candle, and the price needs to close below in this area of a small support here in order to point that the price could go even further down. This small support level, this is the open and close of these two candles, represents a small support for the price that is currently holding and preventing the price to go further down. If the price manages to go and close the 4-hour time frame candle below this one, the next probability is that the price will reach this area. But I am a little bit more cautious about this because I'm more inclined to see the price going even further up because of this small bullish breakout that has been formed, and this is a small resistance level that has a sell-off from the sellers, pushing the price further down and forming this bearish pin bar. But currently the buyers are much stronger, who has pushed the price further up from this area here below, and they are much stronger, and we can see on the daily time frame, the daily candle yesterday has been bullish one, forming a small bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So for me currently this is just only the testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support where the price is returning back down, and then I'm expecting the price will push up. But before that happens, I need to see on the 4-hour time frame the price reaching again this area 4696.93 and making bullish breakout. If that happens, this will be a signal for me that the price is heading up. So if you are trying to see where the Will the price manage to go further up before the price makes a bullish breakout? Then watch this level here, which is 4664. It's smaller resistance. If the candle on the 4-hour time frame closes above this area of resistance, which means the next candle forms a body, closes above, this will be also a signal that the price has found enough strength to push above the smaller resistance that is preventing the candle on the 4-hour time frame to close and indicate further rise in value. So this will be a small signal that the price has managed to go further up, find enough strength as the bulls push the price even further up. For now, that's all. Feel free to comment. What do you think about this scenario? Will the price manage to go further up, or it will stay for a while here around this area of resistance, or it will drop down to 4588, a 4-hour time frame support level? Also, please join the markets, Ultima Markets, the broker I'm currently using. Feel free to check the link below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.